Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in this video. Today we are going to discuss what is oxidation and on contrary to it, what is reduction. So oxidation and the few examples of oxidation. So oxidation literally means that the loss of electron or hydrogen leads to an oxidation. Gain of oxygen, as the name indicates, the gain of oxygen is an example of oxidation. Now the few examples what we'll notice in our daily routines is let's say from the non-living things. Now in non-living species, the oxidation example, the famous one is the fireworks. The fireworks begin when there is a rubbing and there is an increased energy input happening inside, so the fire initiates. Now this is what it is using, the sulfur is using oxygen to differentiate into different fireworks. And over here you notice rusting of iron. These are the nails. Over here this rustation is of iron is because of the fact that that the iron is getting exposed to the oxygen available in the atmosphere. So there is a rust formation. And lastly but not leastly, in biological setup, there is no energy dependency in terms of higher energy input, like you rub something over here. Just the exposure of atmosphere turning a fruit from its natural color to its rotten form is an excellent example of oxidation. So what is happening, that the carotenoids present and the flavonoids present inside the fruit get exposed to open air, so they absorb oxygen and they form certain compounds that starts the process of rotting. This same example could be helped in what you can say, you can notice in bananas. From a typical drying banana of yellow in color, you find out certain dark spots, and whenever you put these bananas outside, after a certain period they start brownish in color. That is an excellent example of oxidation. And in contrast to oxidation, the gain of electron or hydrogen, loss of oxygen, is called reduction. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you for very much for this information. If you have any questions, please feel free.